In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PowerPoint presentation to an A3 size. If you've ever needed to resize your slides for different printing formats, or just want more design space, learning how to change the slide size to A3 can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into these simple steps that will get you from a standard slide size to an A3 format, perfect for posters or larger prints. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're on a Windows or a Mac, just launch the program like you normally would. Now navigate to the PowerPoint presentation that you want to adjust. If you're starting fresh, you can also create a new presentation to apply these changes to. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the Design tab on the top menu bar. This tab is where you'll find a variety of tools related to the layout and aesthetics of your presentation. Within the Design tab, you should notice an option labeled Slide Size tucked away on the right hand side. Click on it. A small menu will appear, and from there you want to select Custom Slide Size. This option brings up a dialog box allowing for more detailed customization of your slide dimensions. It's like opening the gateway to all sorts of size adjustments. When the dialog box appears, you'll see the first drop-down menu at the top. Click this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with several paper size options. Among these, you'll want to select A3 paper. A3 is a larger format compared to the default slide size in PowerPoint. It measures 11.7 by 16.5 inches or 297 by 420 millimeters, which makes it ideal for designs with lots of detail or large graphics. After choosing the A3 paper option, it's time to confirm your selection. Simply click on OK, which will apply the new dimensions to your presentation. PowerPoint will ask you how you want to handle the content of your slides, maximize or ensure fit. Choosing maximize will keep the original proportions but might crop some content. Selecting Ensure Fit will ensure all your content fits within the new slides, but it might resize some elements. Make your choice based on what suits your presentation best. And there you have it, your PowerPoint presentation is now set to A3 size. This adjustment can be invaluable for creating more visually impactful slides or preparing materials for professional printing. With just a few clicks, you have the flexibility to explore new design possibilities and meet the needs of various projects. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.